We're getting some news that's breaking this minute. Another case of protest against the burial of a COVID deceased has come to light from the Ranipet town of Tamil Nadu. Archana, who was working as a nurse in the Arcot Government Hospital, passed away due to coronavirus on August 2nd. A group of locals opposed the burial when Archana's body was brought to a cemetery. The body was buried only after the government authorities rushed to the burial ground and persuaded the locals. This has been yet another case there coming to light of how there's been massive protest against the burial of a COVID disease that has come to light yet again from Tamil Nadu. Now this time, Archana, who's working as a nurse in the Arcot Government Hospital, she passed away due to coronavirus on August 2nd. But a group of locals there opposed the burial when Archana's body was brought to the cemetery. The body was in fact buried only after the government authorities intervened. They rushed to the spot of the burial ground and also persuaded the locals there. This is quite unfortunate because time and again we are looking at instances like these, and these are distressing instances that are coming to light, which clearly indicates how there is no dignity in death for the COVID warrior, somebody who has been at the front line dealing with this entire pandemic. Let me bring in my colleague Pramod for those updates there. Pramod, this is extremely distressing how we are looking at instance after instance coming to light on how there is no dignity in death for the COVID warrior, somebody who's been at the forefront fighting this entire pandemic. Tell us about this entire incident, what has happened, how did the government authorities intervene, and how long did it take for the burial process to even continue?
Well, it's just like you mentioned, it's an extremely disgusting event that has occurred in Ranipet, and it's completely inhuman that a nurse who has been fighting and helping people fight against COVID-19 and various other diseases, she passed away in the line of duty, and for her they did not provide a proper burial. In fact, just like you mentioned, this has occurred in a location called as Ranipet in Vellore, and she was a staff nurse in various hospitals including Arcot and Vellore, and as she was going to be buried on 3rd of August in this particular burial cemetery, local people from that area had come over there and they started creating a ruckus. Now, Tamil Nadu is not new for this kind of inhuman behavior. There was one such kind of thing that occurred in Chennai as well, post which the Chief Minister promised and warned that there will not be any more events like that, and he also gave a warning to the public to never do something like that. But unfortunately, again, this has occurred. This information went to the Ranipet collector, who immediately sent authorities over there, and you could see in those visuals how those authorities and officials are being threatened by people who are completely insensitive and are not aware of the issues actually. In fact, the authorities are constantly being heard saying that they will follow all the parameters and proper burial will be done, making sure that there is no spread of COVID-19 from the body. But even after that, they protested, and finally a large police presence had to come over there, only after which the issue was amicably solved and the body was buried. Very unfortunate that such things are still continuing in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Absolutely. Pramod, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.